Hello, beautiful! Today I have the entire Rawbeautykristi and Colourpop collection, so if you would like to see, just keep watching. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the entire Rawbeautykristi collection, and we are going to do swatches, and we're going to wrap it up with a little mini eyeshadow tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started.
Like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice if timing was better? Priorities change, but people never do. I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. I see you in every corner of every morning. Thoughts, they're haunting me, and oh, I can't let it be. Blame it on the things we've done apart. Reaching out to me, pull me out, have to breathe. Oh, I'm still yours. 'Cause I see you in every corner of every morning. 'Cause I see you like water rising with hearts are storming. Priorities change, but people never do. And I would be a fool to think you're worth it to lose. Come and bring the rain, wash away these rules. Put me in my place, darling, don't let me move. 'Cause I see you in every corner of every morning. 'Cause
Okay, so this is the final look. That took me a really long time to do just because I feel like this palette, I feel like it's, if you're just going to use one or two colors, then you could definitely do that. But if you want to use more than two colors, I feel like you have to be a little bit more experienced with eyeshadow. So I had to go and see like what colors would go good together and whatnot. So it took a little bit of time, but I think I finally like it. I especially love the yellow in the center. I love the greens on the outside. I really love all of the natural looking colors in this palette. Obviously, it is wearable for every single day. I honestly would consider this to be more of a neutral palette. So overall, my opinion of the palette is that I absolutely love this. I think this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from the Colourpop collection so far. I think one of the reasons why it is one of my favorites is because, like I said, all of the colors are wearable. Again, we have some shades that are more difficult to work with, like this PNW shade. I feel like it's going to be difficult for me to use, especially Let It Rain. I know you could do like a smoked out look, but regardless, it's still suitable for like an everyday look or a night out. Whereas a lot of the other palettes we have tried, or at least the other collections, they always come out with eyeshadows that aren't really suitable for like an everyday look. Probably my second favorite, I actually like everything from this collection, but one of my favorites is the gel liners. This is my first time using the gel cream liners from Colourpop, and they're absolutely amazing. I can't believe how well the yellow showed up underneath my eyes, how well the green showed up on my eyes. They're creamy, they're strongly pigmented. I did a little wing over here. I absolutely love these. I would highly recommend them, and I love that they gave us these colors because, again, I feel like they are more on the neutral side, and I feel like I could get away with wearing these and feel a little bit more comfortable compared to like a bright, super bright like pink or purple. So again, I really enjoy these gel liners, and because I tried these ones, if I had to get any more gel cream liners, I'd definitely consider these. I think these are slightly comparable to, I think they are the NYX gel liners, and those ones, I feel like the NYX gel liners are a little bit better because they're a little bit creamier and easier to apply, where these had a little bit of a tug to it. But nonetheless, they're great, and they're probably a lot more affordable than the NYX gel liners. The Super Shock shadows are also really fun. I especially love this coppery gold color right here. As far as the other two shades, I'm not really happy that both of these shades are so close in color, and it takes some work to get it to show up on me, so I'm not a huge fan of these colors, and I also feel like they're duplicates from previous collections. Yeah, but I feel like this color is really nice. I don't mind getting different variations of this color because it's so beautiful and it shows up very well on my skin tone. It's also just a beautiful shade. And then the last two products are also a favorite of mine. I love the Luxe glosses. I honestly can't believe that these are affordable because, to be honest, if I had to compare this with like a Fenty Balm cream, I'm not saying it's identical, but depending on the color, like the shade I get, I feel like you might be able to trick me. And that's saying a lot. And this is so much more affordable than the Fenty Gloss Bombs. These two colors, I can't say I'm a huge fan of. It is fun, but I would say that I would get this if I was just looking for like a clear lip gloss, because this one I was expecting to give me a little bit of color, but honestly it just came out pretty sheer. So both of these are more like a lip gloss, and I definitely don't think that I need to have both of them. If I had to choose, I probably would just choose this one, because even though it does have a lot of shimmer, it doesn't really pick up too much on camera, so I'd probably just get this one. The packaging is really cute though, but I just feel like for this entire collection, I was assuming they would give us some of like a mauve-y or like a nude color as opposed to just like a clear lip gloss, but they're still cute. That is it for the collection. Overall, I really like everything I got. As you could see, neutral colors, wearable for every single day. And I also really love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more Colourpop coming. I have a lot more Colourpop content coming up soon. Colourpop content, that was like a tongue twister a little bit. But yeah, I have a lot of more, oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? I have a lot more Colourpop content coming up. So you want to make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post that content. I really hope to see you in another video. Bye!